How to delete emails on iOS 26. So first of all, open your mail application, and in here you can see these are all of the emails. And for example, if I want to delete this particular email right here, what you can do is simply swipe this to left, just like this. And then from here, you can get the option of archive. All you need to do is tap on archive. And just like this, your email has gone to archive. So if you want to delete all of these email, what you can do is simply tap on the select option right here and then select multiple emails. For example, I want this one. I have selected two different emails. And then you can simply tap on this archive icon, then simply tap on archive. And just like this, here you can see we have successfully deleted our email. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.